Hello my friends, welcome to this video in which I will show you how to install a door for the dog. Here in this very place we have two problems. The first problem is that the dog is capable of opening the doors from inside even though they are closed. And the second problem is that we are here on the countryside, which makes that we have a number of flies around. So if you want to avoid to have too many flies inside, the best is to have the doors closed. So for the installation of the little door for the dog, let's go. We're measuring the height of the bottom of the feet, and that's 30 centimeters. First of all, a little analysis of the situation. Have a look at your door. Be sure that you decide to make a hole in it. Sometimes you have beautiful doors. This would be really a pain to make a sacrifice on them. So here in this very situation, this is an old door which is not extraordinary. Nevertheless, I have here one impediment, which is the glass on the top. Then in theory we should place the pet door at the height of legs of the dog, which are 30 centimeters. In my case it won't be applicable because I will put it the highest possible, knowing that it's a big frame, so there's no particular issue on this. Secondly, here there's here a step, so we have to make that the access for the dog is as smooth as possible. So here there is a gabarit, there is this template, and the idea is that you are putting it here like this. So I will do it like this here, and here I will make the hole from outside, because on this side there is this coating which makes that I don't know how the door is made, so I make the holes on this side. As the instructions are indicating, I will first of all fix this template. I will use a spirit level for making sure that it's perfectly straight. I have already shown you how to make holes within a surface, so here I will use a drill, wood drill of 10 for enabling me then later on to put the jigsaw within the hole. So here it's indicated to make the hole here, but I will make it a bit inside. Then we take the jigsaw, and as we are cutting directly on the paper, we will start with the bottom, otherwise everything will fall down. I don't have enough space from the bottom for placing the jigsaw, so I will start from the top. So apparently there was something in metal. Here obviously the paper won't hold, so I will remove it. So now I will draw a line. For this I'll be using this rest of the works I did for the shelves made out of recuperated wood. Careful, the blade is extremely hot because the wood is extremely hard. You will notice on the door that there are two sides with different purposes. First of all, the external side, which is this one. This one will be for outside, and then we have the internal side, which is the one with the door here, which of course for obvious security reasons needs to be inside. We have to be very sure that, because here there is 2 millimeters higher on the back of the frame. Which means we have to check the size of the hole on this very side. And it doesn't fit. This is because I didn't do the holes exactly on the points indicated on the template. You've already seen this technique in my video about how to improve the insulation of a wooden window frame. Basically, I'm using the triangular sanding paper for removing the couple of millimeters which makes that the frame is not fitting.